Okay, now moving on to other markets. Now we see Bitcoin there did attempt an upside correction, but couldn't sustain it. And see the sentiment in the market there, still 50 points neutral right now. Investors not knowing which direction to go now, whether bullish or bearish. So they're just in the middle, at this time, seeing the price action is quite bearish there with the bulls taking control of the market. Let's look at the market cap this morning, almost losing that $1 trillion mark there, just holding it by a hair's breadth there, just 1.69% down. Volume traded, that's up 41.78% with the sell-offs we're seeing in the market today. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 42.19%. Let's look at the price of Bitcoin this morning, 22,000. Also managing to hold that 22K level, down 1.83% at 8 a.m. This morning. Might have lost this level at this time. Volume traded, $24.34 billion. Let's look at the price of Ethereum. That's holding the 1,500 level, but it's down 1.23%, 7.16 billion traded in Ethereum. Let's bring in Mary Maswa now, financial market analyst. Hello, Mary, and happy International Women's Day.
Hi, Ladi. Thank you very much.
So going with the theme today, in the global crypto market, what percentage of projects are led by women?
Well, interestingly, according to what was reported in Forbes, out of 121 leading cryptocurrency businesses, only 5 of them are led by women. And after the crypto funds, only 10% of them are made of female partners. So it is still quite low, but that doesn't mean that there aren't women who are making major strides in the cryptocurrency space. Like I can name a lot from the Bitcoin space alone. We have like amazing women like Lorraine Marcel, who's leading a Bitcoin Dada, which is a organization training women on Bitcoin and how they can empower themselves with Bitcoin. We have the CEO of Thunder Games, Desiree Dickerson. She's leading a Bitcoin gaming company. We have the CEO of Lightning Labs, Elizabeth Stark. So we have quite a number of women doing major things. Although as more education comes up, I'm sure we'll have more women dominating the space soon.
All right, let's look at trading strategy now. What would you say is the trading strategy, women adopt more? And, considering we've been in a bear market for a while now.
So it's quite different from the strategy a lot of men use. So apparently it is known that a lot of men are not, they're open to taking risks, higher risks than women are. Women take higher risks only when they have a very good understanding of the asset and the market, and that happens a lot in this space. So a good number of women, what they do is they take the approach of, holding assets long term, and that's for women who have a deeper understanding of the asset. So that is the strategy they employ. It doesn't mean that there aren't women who are massive risk takers who trade, cryptocurrency or Bitcoin on an exchange. Like there are a good number of women who do that, but a lot of the women prefer to be more risk averse and, save in the long term.
I guess it's a risk off for women. All right, thank you so much, Mary Maswa, financial market analyst. Thank you, and happy International Women's Day again.
Thank you very much, Ladi.
All right, so that's it. That's trading strategy for women there. Long-term holders, that's according to Mary. But let's look at the top odds by market cap that we see. It's just XRP in the green this morning with the sell-offs we're seeing. It's up 0.92%, still managing to hold that 30 cents level. And we see Matic having that pullback 2.71%, and Binance token, the BNB, losing that $300 mark, down 0.42%. So that's how the crypto market is looking. Still no direction at this point. Neutral with the rate hikes by the Fed, the expectation of rate hikes still impacting this market and other markets.